Welcome to the thrilling world of auto auctions in the United States, a place where the roar of engines meets the swift fall of the auctioneer's gavel. Imagine getting your hands on the car of your dreams or finding that perfect project vehicle, all for a price that feels like you've uncovered the best kept secret in the automotive world. In every corner of the country, auto auctions are opening up a universe of possibilities for car enthusiasts, bargain hunters, and professionals alike. But what exactly are auto auctions, and how do they offer a unique opportunity for you to find your next vehicle? At its core, an auto auction is a market where vehicles are sold to the highest bidder, but it's more than just a simple sale. It's a vibrant ecosystem where diverse types of vehicles, from nearly new lease returns to treasures in need of a little TLC, find their next owners. Whether you're on the hunt for a salvage project, a reliable ride repossessed by a financial institution, or a gem from government surplus, the world of auto auctions is your oyster. But diving into auto auctions isn't just about the bid and the win. It's about the journey, from understanding the auction process to getting your new fine home. Every step is an exciting part of the adventure. Welcome to exploring auto auctions across the US. Uncover, bid, win, right here on Compare the Carriers channel. We're your guide to navigating the fascinating world of auto auctions, bringing you closer to the car of your dreams. Join us on this journey and let's discover together what makes auto auctions a treasure trove for car enthusiasts and savvy buyers alike.
Types of auto auctions in the U.S. Salvage auctions.
Let's delve deeper in the diverse world of auto auctions, starting with salvage auctions. These auctions feature vehicles that have been declared a total loss by insurance companies, often due to accidents, severe weather damage, or theft recoveries.
Salvage vehicles. Potential project cars or parts sources.
While these cars may not be road ready, they hold immense potential for experienced mechanics, hobbyists, or individuals with a knack for restoration. You can find hidden gems requiring minor fixes or vehicles perfect for parts sourcing.
Always research the vehicle's history and get a thorough inspection before bidding at a salvage auction.
Repossessed vehicle auctions.
Next, we have repossessed vehicle auctions. These auctions feature cars that have been taken back by financial institutions due to loan defaults. The variety in these auctions is vast, ranging from nearly new models with low mileage to vehicles with wear and tear reflecting their usage.
Repossessed vehicles, mix of quality potential bargains.
While repossessed cars can be excellent bargains, it's crucial to be mindful of potential issues like hidden repairs or unreported mechanical problems. A thorough inspection is vital before placing your bid.
Look for vehicles with detailed service records and history reports available at repo auctions.
Lease returns.
Now let's shift gears to lease returns. These auctions offer a treasure trove of well-maintained, newer model vehicles previously used under lease agreements. These cars are typically in excellent condition with lower mileage due to the limited ownership duration and often come with remaining factory warranties.
Lease returns, well-maintained, newer models, potential warranty benefits.
For individuals seeking reliable and stylish vehicles, lease return auctions can be a goldmine. Look for detailed maintenance records provided by the leasing companies, as these can offer valuable insights into the car's condition.
Check the lease terms to understand any remaining mileage restrictions or potential buyout fees associated with the vehicle.
Government and police auctions.
Finally, we have government and police auctions. These auctions offer a unique selection of vehicles, including surplus government vehicles, seized cars, and unclaimed property. The variety in these auctions is truly remarkable, ranging from everyday sedans and trucks to heavy machinery and specialized equipment.
Government police auctions, wide range, unpredictable, potential hidden issues.
While these auctions can present exciting opportunities for budget-conscious buyers, it's crucial to manage expectations. Vehicles may come with unknown histories, require repairs, or have specific licensing requirements depending on the type of vehicle.
Government and police auctions often have limited information available, so thorough inspections and title history checks are essential before bidding.
All right, gearheads, Now that you've explored the thrilling world of auto auctions across the US, it's time to get in the driver's seat and navigate the buying process. Buckle up, because in this segment, we'll equip you with the knowledge to confidently participate in your first auction. First things first, registration. Different auctions have varying registration processes. Some allow online registration, while others require in-person visits. Be sure to check the specific auction house's website for details. Registration fees are common, and some auctions might require a refundable deposit to participate.
Register early. This allows time to review auction terms and conditions, which can vary between auction houses.
Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to auto auctions. Before the adrenaline of the bidding war kicks in, a thorough inspection of the vehicle is crucial. Take advantage of the preview times offered by most auctions. This is your chance to meticulously examine the car both inside and out. Look for signs of damage, check the engine bay and fluid levels, and don't hesitate to test drive the vehicle if allowed.
Consider bringing a mechanic friend or a knowledgeable car enthusiast to assist you with the inspection. Their expertise can be invaluable in identifying potential issues.
Now, let's talk about the heart of the action, bidding. Set a realistic budget for yourself and stick to it. Remember, the winning bid doesn't include auction fees and potential transportation costs. Familiarize yourself with auction lingo and hand signals to avoid any confusion during the bidding process. Don't get caught up in the excitement. Bid strategically and confidently.
Search average market values for similar vehicles before attending the auction. This will help you establish a strong starting point for your bids.
With these essential steps in mind, you're well on your way to conquering the world of auto auctions. Now, let's ignite your inspiration with some real-life success stories.
We scored a fantastic deal on a nearly new minivan at a repo auction. It's perfect for our growing family, and the savings were incredible.
I found a dream project car at a salvage auction. It required some work, but with my skills, I was able to restore it into a showstopper.
I was hesitant at first, but the detailed service records at a lease return auction gave me peace of mind. I got a reliable, stylish car that fit my budget perfectly.
These stories showcase the diverse possibilities that auto auctions hold. But to truly maximize your success, here are some final expert tips.
Set a budget and stick to it. Don't get carried away by the auction atmosphere and exceed your predetermined spending limit. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask auction staff or sellers for clarification on vehicle details, fees, or auction rules. Be patient. Finding the perfect car might take time and multiple auction visits. Don't rush the process. Consider transportation costs. Factor in the cost of transporting your purchased vehicle to your final destination.
Remember, the journey of finding your dream car through auto auctions can be as exciting as the final purchase. By following these tips and embracing the unique experience, you too can become a successful auto auction participant and drive away with a fantastic deal. But the adventure doesn't end there. Getting your new car home safely and securely is crucial. That's where Compare the Carrier comes in. We help you compare quotes from top auto transport companies, ensuring your prized possession arrives exactly where it needs to be, hassle-free. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of auto auctions across the US. We hope this video has ignited your curiosity and equipped you with the knowledge to navigate this exciting world. Visit the link in the description below to learn more about Compare the Carrier's auto transport services and get a free quote today. Hit that subscribe button for more car content and let us know in the comments below what's your dream car. And would you ever dare to try your luck at an auto auction? Let's get the conversation started. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of auto transport and logistics. And until next time, happy bidding, happy driving, and happy transporting. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.